What if classrooms across Europe could design the future of food? Sustainably, collaboratively, and immersively? Europe is facing complex challenges: water scarcity, food insecurity, rising carbon footprints. But are our students being prepared to solve them?
In aquaponics, nothing goes to waste. Fish waste is converted into plant nutrients, and the plants purify the water that returns to the fish. A perfect cycle of natural balance.
XRAqua is a pan-European immersive learning platform. Using extended reality, it empowers students to prototype sustainable food systems through aquaponics, merging science, ecology, and digital innovation. Hybrid engagement works best. Students alternate between real aquaponics systems and immersive XR simulations. This boosted test scores from 50% to 97%. Teachers use ready-to-go lesson plans and digital dashboards aligned to biology, chemistry, physics, and math.
The pH is stable and the inflow has increased.
We just shared the data with Portugal.
Students take part in daily system maintenance and data logging, transforming routine into responsibility. Blended learning deepens understanding, mixing physical observation, sensor data analysis, hands-on workshops, short digital lessons, and virtual simulations. And cross-disciplinary teamwork among science and ICT teachers makes adoption smoother and scalable. For students, critical thinking, innovation, and climate literacy. For educators, curriculum-ready modules that align with European priorities. For schools, visibility, compliance with the Green Deal, and next-generation skills development.
A unique combination of science, technology, and community designed to inspire teachers and students. Together, let's transform the way we learn and how we care for the future. XRAqua is more than a project. It's a new paradigm for education.
The future of education is regenerative. The future is shared. Bring XRAqua to your country, and let's co-create a new era of sustainable learning.